I just started singing when I was about 17, and I could sing. It was like it was a surprise, to say the least.
Okay, you guys. Is everybody ready?
Oh, Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes Benz?
She took a flag and made a place in rock and roll for women. She was the first.
My friends all drive Porsches. I must make amends.
Janis was fearless with her pain and with her truth.
Worked hard all my lifetime, no help from my friends.
Feeling things and really getting into it? That's fun.
So, oh, Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes Benz? Everybody, oh, Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes Benz?
As it gets closer, more probable, being a star is really losing its meaning. But whatever it means, I'm ready.